Hi, this is Namita. As a business owner or an entrepreneur, you always need to focus on your core business and leave the balance to be managed by the experts from their fields. With MNCs expanding and new startups popping up every day, and in an economy as huge as India, you really need to have an edge over your competitors. Oops! You need to have a powerful game plan to have a strong feet in the market. You can be a notch above your competitors if you invest in the right human capital, that is your employees. Well, it is not as easy as it sounds, and getting a good workforce can be a tough task. Have you ever thought how an employee life cycle completes its course? What stages and process it goes through? So let's have a look at a quick snapshot. It all starts with the manpower planning. Job description, job search, and job post is the first step. Potential employees are shortlisted, interviewed, and appropriate ones are hired and brought on board. As you start working, calculation and processing of time and attendance and leave request need to be taken care of. During his work, his travel arrangement and expense needs attention. As the month ends, the employees needs their salary on time, isn't it? You need to process their payroll and pay them on time. Once the payments are made, the employee needs a transparent information system wherein they can verify their salary and expenses. They need their salary slip published in their mobile, and that too online. Crazy, no? Once the self-service portal provides the details of their salaries, the employees now needs to know about their PFs and their ESIC and then engage with his organization. Based on his performance, the employees are evaluated or engaged in training session. Employees stay and grow. Few move on when they feel it is the need for the moment. Full and final settlement is equally complex and needs to be managed. So yours is 15-member startup or 25,000 employee enterprise level organization. However simple or complex your HR process or rules may be, I'm sure you'll look for productivity, accountability, and trust to engage in business. Piscean provides end-to-end staffing solution with a philosophy of work with difference. We have a scalable module with hire to retire philosophy. So what are you waiting for? Let's get staffing.